Hi guys, this is Gord here. We're going to show you how to take a 3M Scotch brake pad, the red one, put it on the top of your buffer, resurface time. Minute. Okay, after this process, I'm going to take one that's worn out a little bit. Put my wool buffing pad back on my buffer. Take a worn out Scotch brake pad, give it a wet scrub. Buff it while it's wet. I like to buff it 3 times in a row. You can take about an ounce of polish, put it on the buffer pad. Be careful because it will splatter. Let it dry all the way. When you let it dry, the sealer embeds itself into what you're doing. This is how you restore Gord style.